for thousands of disabled Californians, there is enormous relief tonight. A federal judge ruled that budget cuts slashing their in-home care will not stand. But as ABC 7's Cecilia Vega reports, reversing course on this will not be easy for the state.
Our homes, not nursing homes.
They came by the hundreds, many in their wheelchairs, to send a message. Budget cuts slashing the state's in-home supportive services program would mean an end to their independence.
If we lose IHSS, we end up not getting the help. And if we don't get the help, what do? We end up in nursing homes.
More than 130,000 elderly and disabled Californians faced reductions in their in-home care. But siding with disability rights activists who sued the state, U.S. District Judge Claudia Wilken put a halt to the cuts, with less than 2 weeks to go before they would have taken effect. Notices of the cuts had already been sent. The judge said those letters were too difficult to understand and left little time for appeals.
Cutting back on hours is not going to do anything but hurt John and hurt all the clients out here, old and young.
But reversing the cuts may not be easy. In a statement, a spokeswoman for the State Department of Social Services said, "We will comply with the judge's order, but we cannot quickly reverse some of the complex payroll system changes that have already been made, so there may be some delay." The cuts would have saved the state $82 million this fiscal year alone and $137 million every year after that.
You sweating?
Disabled residents like Mark Beckwith say they couldn't survive without their in-home help.
I think there's a misconception that somehow there's a lot of extra money being spent that's not necessary, and that all kinds of people are cheating, and I think that's just not true.
In Oakland, Cecilia Vega, ABC 7 News.